A revolutionary hybrid inverter. Designed for small commercial and industrial building photovoltaic energy storage systems. The new DEYE 3-phase hybrid inverter. 29.9 to 50 kilowatt 3-phase hybrid inverter. 4 high voltage batteries. For MPPT design. MPPT current 36 ampere. 50 ampere plus 50 ampere. 2 separately battery inputs. Double charging and discharging current. Supports 2 sets of 800 voltage batteries. Also support 2 different sets of batteries. Maximum 50 kilowatt rated AC output. Support maximum 10 PCS in parallel. Powerful and practical. Combining multiple functions in one. Supports diesel generator application. No additional controller. Save hardware cost. Smart load application. Maximize the use of photovoltaic power. Peak shaving function. Adjust battery power dynamically. Avoid exceeding set grid power. Six programmable periods to control charging or discharging. 3-phase 100% unbalanced output. On-grid and off-grid. Switch time 10 milliseconds. Ensuring the stable working of loads. AC coupling function. Support to quickly retrofit existing solar systems. DEYE Cloud Power Plant Management System. Mobile maintenance via an app. Real-time monitoring, online operation and maintenance. This is the new generation hybrid inverter designed by DEYE for commercial and industrial building high voltage energy storage systems for photovoltaic applications.